Intelligence. Autonomous physical security intelligence. Scale security operations without scaling chaos. Deliver intelligence, not just alerts. Operate with governed autonomy. Enterprises and government facilities face rising physical threats, workplace risks, staffing shortages, and growing operational costs. Traditional surveillance, cameras, VMS, human monitoring, cannot keep pace. The result? Missed incidents, false alarms, slow investigations, rising labor spend. The issue isn't cameras, it's decisions. Traditional systems detect events, raise alerts, and close tickets, but they don't reason. Without decision structure, 4 failures emerge. Context decay, rules drift. Context fragmentation, signals stay isolated. Context blindness, activity is measured, impact is not. Decision amnesia, knowledge leaves with the shift. In physical security, one weak decision scales into systemic risk. Agentic Video Intelligence is not AI layered on surveillance. It is a context OS, the decision layer between video and operational outcomes. Traditional systems ask, was the threat detected? Agentic systems ask, is this detection actionable, given context, risk, and decision boundaries? That shift enables governed autonomy through 3 foundations. ContextGraph's decision traces decision boundaries. Together, they make every decision explainable, evidence-backed, and auditable. Instead of isolated alerts, the system builds live context graphs connecting facilities, zones, cameras, identity, biometrics, access control, shift rosters, watch lists, patrol schedules, sensors. Agents understand impact before acting. Noise is filtered. Risk is prioritized. Escalation becomes intelligent. The system reads intent, not just motion. Dwell time, path deviation, boundary testing, tailgating patterns, unusual timing, multi-camera consistency. This is the shift from something moved to something is unfolding. From detection to understanding. From alerts to intelligence. Every decision has reasoning. Traditional operations lose it across emails, tickets, and memory. Agentic Video Intelligence captures structured decision traces. What happened? What evidence was used? Which policy applied? Why escalation occurred? Investigations become replayable, defensible, audit-ready. Autonomy without control creates risk. So we encode decision boundaries. Expiry rules, confidence thresholds, escalation triggers. When risk rises, agents pause or escalate. AI reasons, operators retain authority. That is governed autonomy. With decision infrastructure in place, low risk, high confidence actions resolve automatically. Higher risk scenarios escalate with full context attached. Every action remains policy-bound and auditable. Security shifts from reactive alert handling to structured, explainable decision-making. Agentic Video Intelligence improves safely through calibrated feedback loops. Confidence adjusts, false alarms decline, weak logic is refined. No silent drift, no uncontrolled learning. The system runs as a continuous loop. Context assembly, autonomous detection, evidence-first investigation, policy-gated response. Security evolves from monitoring to decision intelligence. Response times decrease, false alarms reduce, investigation time compresses, compliance strengthens. Organizations scale decisions, not headcount. They become intelligent security providers. AI without decision infrastructure is reckless. Agentic Video Intelligence succeeds because it is built on context graphs that explain impact, decision traces that preserve reasoning, decision boundaries that prevent drift. The future of physical security will not be defined by better cameras. It will be defined by better decisions. This is Agentic Video Intelligence. Now, let's see it in action. Today, I'll walk you through an AI-powered workplace surveillance and behavior detection system built on ElixirData platform. Our goal is simple: to improve workplace safety, detect policy violation in real time, enable behavioral intelligence, and provide actionable insights through AI. Let's start with the overall dashboard. This is our centralized surveillance command dashboard. At top, we get real-time KPIs such as employees, unauthorized access, or presence timings. So this gives security, team, and instant situational overview. And then we can see security, incident, and over time, which help us to understand incidents, trends, counts, behavior. Then we have real-time camera detections, which highlight detector person with the policy and security breaches, services. Each detection is automatically tagged with bounding boxes and classification. Then security risk incident score, which help leadership quickly assess overall posture. We also track employee compliance percentage. This metric improve accountability and help HR team operations to take corrective actions. Then area-wise occupancy, which help to detect or unusual presence. Then we have some few KPIs, which are law, policy violations, incidents. Now, let's move to another dashboard, which is floor-wise heat maps. This is a spatial visualization of live occupancy and movement. So you can see activity around floor for employer presence, unauthorized access, incident density, and dwell time. So this is a live location representation for different features. So in addition to this, we are having few KPIs to support and analyze the insights deeply, such as location, time, trend for these activities. At the end, we are having some logs to know the behavior for those entities. Then now I will show you Agentic Buy. Here we can query surveillance data and create custom dashboard. We can simply ask a few questions over there. Okay, the system will get this question, retrieve structured and surveillance records, incidentally, and come up with the data it will get. So it is planning for the query and generating SQLs to get the response for it. Okay, so this is the logs that it is printing for the logic it has been used to take the data. So as you can see, we have got the data in tabular format with some frames which can justify that data. So these are the employees which are present at unauthorized area. So let's ask one more question to get the number of employees who are spending sensitive time in unauthorized area. So in this section for the answer, we are getting 3 views. One is NLU-based answers, SQL, and chart. So we can understand the answer, we can understand the query that agent has created, and then we can also analyze the chart. So we can use that chart to pin and create dashboards later. So I will go to the chart section once for this answer. Here it will show the KPI or a chart which we can modify and can be used to create a dashboard. It is providing a pin feature. Let it to be downloaded. Then I'll show you. Okay, here we got the KPI. So we can either edit it, we can refresh it, or we can pin it. If it will pin it, it will open a dashboard to which we want to pin it. And then we can see that in here in the dashboard section. Okay, so this is the KPI that I have just pinned there. And in addition to that, we are having one more feature, which is an AI assistance or most advanced capability, I would say. So here we can create agents and connect MCPs to connect with the data. It is Agent Builder interface. From here, we can open the Agent Builder and select the surveillance agent from the list. Here we can see the agent name and the instructions configured for it. If we scroll down a little, we can also view the MCPs connected to this agent, which allow it to access the required data. Here in MCP settings, you can see the MCPs connected to this agent. These MCPs help the agent access and use the required data. And then we can ask a few questions to analyze the data. Here we can do the behavior and analysis of the data. Let me ask a question to know or get employees having unusual behavior, such as if they are talking on their phone or eating something or sleeping, which is one of the policy violation at the workplace. So it is calling the tool and getting the data. And then it is using an effect to reflect, to create a runtime live application where user get interact with to see the frames and user activities at the runtime, as per the instructions given to the agents. It will take some time to get this code completed and show our application. Basically, this will process historical and real-time data for a person to know their behavior and generate insight. As I asked in the question, so this will fetch today's data only, get those frames, and analyze on those frames, and based on its reasoning, it will come up with insights. So here we can see, we can either play this, which can show the different frames, like how people are moving, we can pause it, and if we want to know next, like we can see here, so this girl hold one cup in her hand. As you can see, therefore, the agent has said that she's maybe eating something. Okay, so to summarize this system, transform workflow surveillance into smart, AI-driven safety ecosystem. Discover ElixirData Context OS. Book a demo with us today.